In this video, I will show you how to add stickers on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. After you open up your WhatsApp, come to the chat that you want to send the stickers to. So tap on this emoji icon. So under this emoji icon, tap on this section, this sticker section. So scroll to down. As you can see, I added all these stickers now on my WhatsApp. As you can see here, all are the stickers that I just added. So if you want to get animated stickers or you want to get just picture of a sticker, so now I'll show you how to do it. As you can see, all these are stickers. All you have to do, just close up your WhatsApp. So go to your Play Store or App Store and type in WhatsApp sticker. Select this space application. After you install it, just go to your WhatsApp and open it. So after you open it, just tap on this cancel. So as you can see here, all are the stickers that I can be able now to add to my WhatsApp. As you can see, there is animated sticker and there is picture sticker. So if you want just animated, all you have to do, just choose your desire and tap on this add button. And if you want the just image, tap on this section. So as you can see here, all are the images of the stickers. So all you have to do, just tap on this add button to add the stickers to your WhatsApp. That's it, guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.